Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to reset your Toyota Tundra maintenance light. First, turn your ignition key to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, ensure your odometer reading is clearly visible on the instrument cluster. If another display is showing, simply press the Display or Odo/Trip button until the odometer appears. This initial step sets you up for a smooth reset process. Now, let's enter the reset procedure. Begin by turning your ignition key completely to the off position. With the ignition off, locate and firmly press and hold down the Odo/Trip button on your dashboard. While continuously holding this button, turn your ignition key back to the on position. Do not start the engine, just turn the key to the on setting. To complete the reset, continue holding the Odo/Trip button. You will notice the maintenance light on your dashboard begin to flash for several seconds. Keep holding the button until the light stops flashing and completely disappears from the display. Once the light is no longer visible, you can release the Odo/Trip button. This indicates the reset is successful. Finally, let's verify the reset. Start your Toyota Tundra's engine to confirm that the maintenance light is now off. If, for any reason, the light remains illuminated, simply repeat the entire step-by-step process from the beginning. This quick and easy procedure usually takes less than 1 minute to complete, saving you a trip to the service center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.